Anil buys 12 toys and labels each with the same selling price. He sells 8 toys initially at 20% discount on the labeled price. Then he sells the remaining 4 toys at an additional 25% discount on the discounted price. Thus, he gets a total of rupees 2112 and makes a 10% profit. With no discounts, his percentage of profit would have been which of the following? Okay, so let the selling price of each toy be 100k. Now, according to the question, 8 toys he sold for 20% discount, so that will be 80k, and the remaining 4 toys he sold at a 25% discount on 80k, so that will be 60k, and he got rupees 2112, or 880k is equal to 2112, so k we get as 2.4. So SP of each toy becomes 100 into 2.4, that is equal to 240. Also, he made a 10% profit, so CP of 12 toys is 2112 by 1.1, that is 1920. So CP of one toy becomes rupees 160. Now we have SP by CP, that is equal to 240 by 160, which is equal to 3 by 2, equal to 1.5. So profit is equal to 50%. Option 2.